Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set gesture navigation in Vivo Y15C phone. Guys, we want to remove guys this button setting as we want to set guys gesture navigation. So guys, you can set, and guys, now let's see how to set gesture navigation. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on system setting. Guys, click on system navigation, and guys, click on gesture navigation setting. So guys, you guys swipe up from the button of the screen to go back to the home screen. So guys, you can use like that your this gesture navigation. Guys, you want to back, like guys, you are in setting any app, and guys, you want to come back, so guys, you can back from here, like that guys. When you want to close app, you can close app from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to set gesture navigation and how it's work in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.